Good day, everyone. Welcome to WiseLink Academy. Today, we're looking at what we call interpenetration. In our last video, we did interpenetration of two pipes connecting together at an angle of 90 degrees. But today, the two pipes are not connected at an angle of 90 degrees. Rather, they are connected at an angle of 30 degrees. So now, how can we start? How do we start about this? So the first thing to do is what? Draw your horizontal and vertical line. So let's do that. Drawing my horizontal line this way, I'll be having this. The next thing to do, as you can see, is to draw out this circle of diameter of 90. So half of 90, I'm going to measure half of 90. Before that, let's make a reasonable center point. Let's draw it this way. So you can see what you're having. I'll show you. This is what we are having. So this is our center point to be. The next thing is what? The circle is diameter of what? 90. So half of 90 will give us 45. So measure 45 on our meter row. Measure 45 on meter row. From here to here is my 45. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 45. At this center point, draw a circle this way. As you can see that. The next thing to do is to what? Is to take this line upward. Take the line upward. That is from here, upward, from here, upward. We're having this. Let me show you. We're having this. So the next thing to do is what? Establish a line. Successfully drawn the circle. We have to get this line upward. The next thing to do now is to what? Is to take a point. So you can come, just taking this point from here to here. We're having this. The next thing to do is what? The height of the cylinder is what? 80. So let's measure 80 upward. So take a meter row this way. From here to somewhere here is 80. Let me show you. From here somewhere here is 80. So it is sticking. Let's thicken it. Sticking this way. So the next thing to do is what? Is to close this place up and close this place up. I've done that. I've closed this. Let's close the upper part up. The set square. Close this part up. We're having this. The next thing to do, what you observe, is that what? Distance from here to here is what? 40. Am I right? Before we do that, this distance from here to somewhere here is what? 40. That is half of this. Half of 80 is 40. So let's measure half of it. 40 from here to here. Here is here my 40. Can you see that now? So from this my 40, I will draw a line outside this way. The faint line outside this way. You can see the faint line. I'm going to turn my faint line, because from that faint line is a point here. This point here is this point here. There's an inclined line of what? 30 degrees from that point. So we take a set square this way, line down this way. So we take it this way, line down this way. So we draw a 30 degree this way. We're having this. That is from here to here is what? 30 degree. Now what do you now observe again from the question? As you can see, I've successfully done this. But in the question, Sorry. The distance from here to here is let me show you. Proceeding, distance from here, sorry now, distance from here to here is 30. Can you see that now? So that 30, if you want to do that 30, the first thing you want to do is what? You know we projected with what? 30. What to project like this with what? Sorry, 30. What to project with what? 60. So I have a what? A perpendicular line. Just draw 60 this way. A line like this. So this is what? You have a perpendicular line that's 90 degrees, to form 90 degrees. So the next thing to do is what? After you have done that, the next thing to do is what? You know you have distance from here to here is 30. So I have it down as having a 15 and 15 down. 15 up, 15 down. That is, someone will show you entire row. Either 15. Here to here then 15. Alright. From this point you take it, cut here. You can see. You come to this point, you cut this point here. Sorry, as you can see what I'm doing. So next thing to do is what? I said distance from, let's connect it with the different line first. You connect that point with 30 degrees. So that you parallel. I use 30 degrees to draw this. Likewise here, 30 degree different line. Likewise here too, 30 degree different line. But what do you notice? The distance from here to somewhere here is what? 40. You see, from here to somewhere here is 40. Measure 40. 40 is based on from here to somewhere here. So 40. So you're taking it straight forward. Taking it. As you can see. So since I've taken that, you can just take it this way to cover that point up. This way. Taking this place, cover it up. You can see that. You come to this point here. Taking this point from here to here. Taking this point. Sorry. From here to here. You can see that. Likewise, you cover up this point. Cover up this point. So, essentially what? Draw what you are seeing here to be this. But we want to draw this out. How can we do that? Before we move to this, let's draw the next thing we need to draw first. You can just easily erase this, don't need them. The next thing to do now is to take my pin of compass this way. Before I start, I will come to this place. I'll just come draw a faint line this way. Can you see the faint line? Let me show you very well. From that point, you draw a faint line this way. And draw a inclined line this way. Touching this point here. Touching this point here. That is from this point, take this from this point here to this point. Draw or put it here. Draw a semicircle. Semicircle. I'll be having this. Isn't it? So I can just take my set square this way. From that point upward. So I will divide this semicircle into 6 equal parts. So doing that with the same words, with the same measurement from here to here. Take it here, strike an arc, come to this place, this place, strike an arc, coming up here, strike an arc here, strike an arc here. We are having this. So then, take it this way. Here we take 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. You connect those points to the center. You connect 2 to the center point. This way, 1 to center point. It's already connected. Connect 1 again. Center point. Then connect 2 center points. You'll be having this. So the next thing for me to do now is to take those measurements down. Before I do that, I'll take this. This is 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So you take it this way. 3, you connect 3, this way 3, downward this way, move up 2, downward this way, you can see 1, and 1, take it downward this way, as you can see that, you come up my point 1 here too, take it downward this way, my point 2, downward, and point 3 is already there, just extend it downward this way. You'll be having this. The next thing to do is what? Take a set square this way. This is this way, as you can see. So this is point 3 here, you connect it downward this way. Next point is this point here, downward. Next one, point 1, downward. Point 0, downward, as you can see. Next one, this point here, downward, and the next one, this point here, downward. You'll be having this. Am I right? So the next thing to do is to take the radius this way. We said earlier that. Let me show you what I'm doing. Take it downward this way. Show you. Yes, you'll be having this. What? This is my point 0 here. Let me show you. This 0 here goes like this down way, down here to this point. Let me show you the point. Down to this point I made here. So from this point you measure what? It has a what? Distance of what? 40. That is here to here is 40. So you come to this point here. Establish 30 jare. So that's 15. Measure 15. This is my 15. This is at this point here. Strike up here. Now you see that? Take it here. Strike down here. So you can see what you're having. Then you want to take it to the center point here. Yes, center point this way. Defend line first. Defend line first. As you can see. So the next thing to do is what? After I've successfully done that, we're going to thicken this outer part here. And just connect it this way. Extend it outside. So you just thicken this one here. Thicken this. You can see that. After thickening that, you draw a semicircle, the way we did for the upper one. Then a semicircle this way from here to here. Take it. Sorry. Draw a semicircle. Then divide it by what? By 6 equal parts. Here. Cut here. Sorry. Cut here. Cut here. So this is, since I said the upper one, since I said here should be 3, 2, 1, 0. Then I'll just come here and say here should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. As you can see that. So those points, you connect them to center point here. 1, center point. 2, center point. 3 is already connected. 1 again, center point. 2, center point. If you're having this, as you can see, then you take them to the circumference, you cut them to the circumference of the circle. Take it this way, touch circle of a circle, take this one this way, touch circle of a circle, take 3 is already connected, connect these 2 again, circumference of the circle, likewise 1 touches the circumference of the circle. After you have successfully connected this this way, you now take them upward one by one. So you take this point upward. You can see that. Move to the next one, upward. Next one. This is the next one, upward. So if you're having that. So now this is my point 0. Just touches 0 where? Here. Taking this place. I'll show you. So if 0 touches 0 here, as you can see, 1 touches 1 where? This is my point 1. Touches 1 here and touches 1 here. Yes, touches 1 here. Next one is what? 2. Goes like this and touches 2 here. Touches 2 here and touches 2 at this point. And lastly 3. Touches 3 here and touches 3 here. So if I want to do my arc, I'll use my French curve. I'll connect it. Connecting it, I'll be having this. This way. Connect this. So we're having this to be my arc there. Now, coming down to this place. That's my interpreting arc. I've just drawn my interpreting arc to that. So you come down this way to this point here. I want to establish this circle you are seeing here. There is a circle there. I want to establish it at this point. So what do you notice? Let's start that. This is 0 touches 0 here. Alright. 0 touches 0. 0 touches point 0. Let me show you what I'm doing. Is 0 here. Touches point 0 here. As you can see. Likewise touches here too. Because here is 0 too. The next one is 1. 1 touches 1. This is 1 here. Touches 1 here. Touches 1 here. Because this line 2 is line 1. Let's see. Next up, line 2. This is line 2. Touches 2. Let's see. This is line 2. Touches 2 here. You can see that. So wait. There's a mistake here. We connected this line here. This one like this, downward. This one downward. This one downward. But we left 2. Left 2 is downward, Abby. We draw this 3 downward. Downward, 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 downward. So it's meant 2. Let's draw this 2 downward. So let's be, whenever I do this, let's be careful and vigilant. So this is point 2 here. Touches point 2 at this point. Alright. Next to do is what? 3. 3 touches where? This is 3. This is 3 here. Touches 3 at this point. And 3 at this point. The center point here. Similarly, you do the same downward here. This is 1 point 2. Touches 2 at this point. Okay, 2 here. And what? 1, 2. And 2 here. Likewise, 1 touches 1 at this point here and at this point here. So I'll simply run out this as you are seeing it. Next to do is what? Take a French curve. We need to produce that curve. So let's see. It is going this way. Join this point here. Join it. See. Likewise this way. So just take a set square this way. Connect this point here to this, and taking this point here to this. So I've also drawn the interprojection arc to be this one up here, and we have also developed this here. I can show you. Sit here. So if you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and like. Welcome to Wise Link Academy.